Hi, let's learn important equivalencies with the government survey system. Important equivalencies. Licensees must be able to convert miles to linear feet and then linear feet to miles, to convert square feet to acres and acres to square feet, and also be able to take linear feet of an area to determine the total square feet. That means that you need to know some basic conversions. You need to know that 1 mile equals 5,280 linear feet. You must memorize that 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet. You must memorize that 1 section equals 640 acres and know that 1 township equals 36 sections. The amount of linear feet in a mile, the total square feet in an acre, and the fact that 1 section has 640 acres are all connected. If 1 section is 1 mile by 1 mile, and each mile measures 5,280 linear feet, refer to the previous conversion chart. If 1 section is 1 mile by 1 mile, and each mile measures 5,280 linear feet, refer to the previous conversion chart, then each section measures 5,280 linear feet by 5,280 linear feet. And 5,280 multiplied by 5,280 equals 27,878,400 square feet. One acre equals 43,560 square feet. Again, look to the conversion chart. Therefore, 27,878,400 square feet can be divided by 43,560 square feet to determine how many acres are in the figure of 27,878,400, which actually, when divided out, equals 640 acres. And this is why legal description calculations always start with 640. Each section measures 1 mile by 1 mile. Each mile measures 5,280 feet, so each section is 5,280 linear feet by 5,280 linear feet. 5,280 linear feet multiplied by 5,280 linear feet equals 27,878,400 square feet. So each section equals 27,878,400 square feet. And 27,878,400 square feet divided by the number of square feet in each acre, which is 43,560, equals 640 acres. So each section actually equals 640 acres. Miles to square feet conversion. The previous slides demonstrated that miles can be converted to square feet. Licensees should be prepared to be able to do so, along with being able to convert square feet back to miles. The key is to recall that every mile equals 5,280 linear feet. Miles to square feet conversion, story problem 1. Robert owned a property that was 2.5 miles by 2.5 miles. How many square feet is Robert's property? Solution 1. First, recall that each mile is 5,280 feet, linear feet, and multiply by the number of miles. So 5,280 feet times 2.5 miles equals 13,200 linear feet. Second, multiply the two sides to determine the total square feet. Each side, being 2.5 miles, is actually 13,200 linear feet. So you multiply 13,200 by 13,200 to equal 174,240,000 square feet. Miles to square feet conversion, story problem 2. Robert owned a property measuring 13,200 feet by 13,200 feet. How many miles? How many miles was Robert's property on each side? Solution 2. To solve, divide the total feet of each side by how many feet are in a mile. So we have 13,200 feet on each side divided by 5,280. That's the amount that you're going to memorize that that represents the linear feet in each mile. So 13,200 divided by 5,280 equals 2.5 or 2.5 miles per side. So we just worked the first problem backwards. Robert's property measured 2.5 miles on each side. or 13,200 linear feet. 2.5 times 5,280 equaling 13,200 linear feet for a total of 174,240,000 square feet. Miles to square feet conversion, story problem 3. An area measuring 1/4 mile by 1/2 mile is how many total square feet? Solution 3. First, convert each side to linear feet. First, convert each side to linear feet. So if we take just 1/4 of that, we multiply 5,280 times 0.25, that equals 1,320 linear feet for the one side, the 1/4 mile side. Then you take the 5,280, which represents the other mile, but the other side is only 1/2 mile, so we divide that in half or multiply it by 0.5 to equal 2,640 linear feet. Second, multiply the two sides to determine total square feet. 1,320 feet times 2,640 feet equals 3,484,800 square feet. Square feet to acreage conversion. Square feet can be converted to acreage and vice versa. The key is to recall that there are 43,560 square feet in each acre. Square feet to acreage conversion, story problem 1. An area measuring 1/4 mile by 1/2 mile is how many total acres? Square feet to acreage conversion, solution 1. So the problem was previously converted to square feet. (1,320 feet, which is 1/4 mile, by 2,640 feet, which is 1/2 mile, multiplied together equals 3,484,800 square feet. Divide the total square feet by the amount of square feet in every acre. 3,484,800 divided by 43,560 equals 80 acres. So the property that measures 1/4 mile or 1,320 feet on two sides and 1/2 mile or 2,640 on the other two sides, and the property is also a total of 3,484,800 square feet or 80 acres. Convert acreage to square feet. Once a legal description has been used to calculate the amount of acreage it represents, it is a simple process to convert to the total square feet. We have previously determined that the legal description, the south 1/2 of the southeast 1/4 of the northeast 1/4 of section 1 T2SR3W, and the southwest 1/4 of the southwest 1/4 of the northwest 1/4 of section 6 T2SR2W equals 30 acres. And we did that by taking 640 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 2, giving us 20. And then we took 640 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4, which gave us 10, added those together for a total of 30. To convert the acreage to the total number of square feet, simply multiply the total acres of 30 by 43,560, the number of square feet per acre. This calculates the total square feet represented by the legal description. 30 acres times 43,560 equals 1,306,800 square feet. Why would it be necessary to convert acreage to square feet? In section 19 of this course, the process of subdividing acreage into smaller lots will be discussed. And in order to carry out that process, an understanding of converting acreage to square footage is necessary. Convert acreage to square feet, story problem 1. Alessandro plans to develop property from an existing farm. The farm is 150 acres. How many square feet is the property in total? Solution. To solve this problem, multiply the total of acres on the property by the total square feet in every acre. 150 acres equals 43,560. Therefore, the property equals 6,534,000 square feet. Convert acreage to square feet, story problem 2. Alessandro plans to develop property from an existing farm. The farm is 150 acres. If once developed, Alessandro sells each developed parcel at 50 cents a square foot, how much would the land be sold for in total? Convert acreage to square feet, solution 2. First, calculate how many square feet the farm has. We actually did that in the previous example. So we took 150 acres times 43,560, which gave us our 6,534,000 square feet. And second, you then multiply the total square feet by the price per square foot when sold. So your 6,534,000 square feet times 0.50 equals $3,267,000 in total sales for the land.